Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode we're gonna do some HTML scrolling inside our web page, and it's very simple. We don't have to use any extra libraries or any extra codes. It's gonna be very simple, only with 3 lines of codes. In order to do that, I have created here an HTML page with some boxes inside, and now when we are going to scroll down with our mouse, as you can see, the items getting inside our page from the left side with opacity 0 to opacity 1 and the position that it must be, like that. As you can see, the elements appearing inside the HTML page. We have some scaling from 0 to 1. We have some transition to minus 100 pixels to 0 pixels and etc. And when we are trying to get up, we are declining to the top. And as you can see, when the elements are going out from the HTML page, they are disappearing at the initial position that it were. So without any further ado, let's jump inside the bit and see how simple it is with only 3 lines of code, as I said in the beginning. So if you're ready, let's get started. So I have created here divs, and we have some styling here inside the box. We have a grid display, and when I'm scrolling now, I cannot get any animation, smooth animation inside our page. So let's add some animation very smoothly. I'm coming inside my box, which is these small boxes that we are here. And now we are writing the following. Now we have to add some animations and keyframes, obviously. How we can do that? First of all, we have to add the animation property. And we have to give a name to it. We're gonna name it reveal, and we have to give some property to this animation. It's going to be linear. Okay. Saving, going to next line, and we have to give some timeline to it. As I said, when our elements getting inside the screen, it's going to be displaying from the left side of the screen until the end position. It's the middle of the screen, from opacity 0 to opacity 1 and pixel minus 100 pixels to 0 pixels in a smooth way, and we're gonna have some scaling to it. So that means we have to put the property of view. How? By adding animation timeline. We're gonna give some property to it. It's gonna be view. Okay, we're done? Not yet. We're gonna add some more line. The third line is gonna be the range, which declares where the animation is gonna start. Okay, first of all, we're gonna have to give entry. It's gonna be 0% from the initial position, and it's gonna be the cover until the end. And from the view, as I said from the previous line, it's going to cover the 20% of our HTML page. So let's write it. Animation range. Okay. As I said, it's going to be from the entry. It's going to be 0% from the initial position until it's covered completely. And it's going to have the 20% of amount of our web browser, which is from the bottom, starting from the bottom. Okay, let's save. Let's see if something is happening. No, because we didn't add the keyframes for this animation. Okay, let's add it also. We're going to add the key sign and keyframe. We're going to give the name of the animation. We did reveal. Okay, leaving it. I'm gonna come a little bit up, and here we're gonna give the from to property. From starting position until the finish position, which is 2. From 2. Okay, let's give it a try. As I said, it's going to start from the opacity 0. And it's going to have the transform translate 100 pixels. And we're going to give the opacity of, and we're going to give the scale of 0. It's going to, initial position is going to be from the smallest one until the biggest one. Copy those from the app, and let's write the final position. It's going to be 1. It's going to also have the transform translate x of 0, and it's going to be the scale 1. Okay. Let's save. It's done? No. Why it's not coming from the left side of the screen and it's getting scaled up from the initial position? This occurs because we didn't give the transform origin from. Okay? We say transform origin is going to be from the left side of the screen. Okay? Saving once again. And as you can see now, we have the smooth scrolling starting from the left side of the screen and finishes at the relative position of the div that we gave. Okay, like this. We're coming up, we're adding the animation, and when we are scrolling down, the animation disappears at this must be and goes again to the initial position that it started. Please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Until the next one, have a nice day. Bye bye. I love you all, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you very soon. Bye bye.